This example asks us to find the derivative of y equals x minus 1 to the power of e to the x. X minus 1 is a function. E to the x is also a function. So we're asked to find the derivative of the form f of x to the g of x, or a function to the power of a function. As soon as we see that, we should think natural log of both sides, as per logarithmic differentiation. So that'll be our first step, to just take the natural log of y and the natural log of everything on the right. So that's x minus 1 all to the e to the x. And the purpose for doing that is to get our function in the exponent to come down using log rules. So that gives us e to the x multiplied by ln of x minus 1. Now we can differentiate. So the derivative of ln y is 1 over y times y prime. This derivative on the right then is a product. So the derivative of the first is e to the x. Keep the second. ln x minus 1 plus the derivative of the second, which is 1 over x minus 1. Keep the first, which is e to the x. We need y prime, so we need to bring the y over, which means y prime is going to equal y, and everything on the right can stay. I am going to write it with e to the x factored out, which means we get ln of x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1. And y, of course, we're given right here. We don't want y in our answer. We're looking for y prime in terms of x. So we want to replace y with the original question here, which means x minus 1 e to the x, and the bracket can stay the same. So e to the x ln x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1, and then close that all in brackets.